Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omomi aka Petite Diva, and in this video I will show you 10 items that TikTok will make you buy. They range from kitchen gadgets to clothing items. At the end of this video you will learn the easiest way to get any of this item, what my favorite buys are, what I think is weird, and what I think is a necessity. So let's get into this video.
Another random thing I bought on Amazon. This has a few features that I really like. First, that you just turn it on and you can connect it to your phone with Bluetooth. Second, this stand fits an iPhone or iPad perfectly, and this keyboard makes me so much more productive.
I think you're going the other way. Going the other way? No, now you're doing it well.
Yeah, that's the way. That's how you want it.
A little more. That's good, huh?
Here are my 5 must-have bras from Amazon. Number 1 is this lace-up push-up bra. When I worked at Victoria's Secret, I had girls come in every single day and ask me, what bra is going to hold up my girls together and push them up? For the price and the result of this bra, I think every girl needs to have one of these in their wardrobe. The padding is in the shape of a hand, which I feel like helps lift and scoop and bring the girls together. Here's a before and after. Number 2 is the Ultimate Comfy Bralette by Hanes. I love this one. It's so good. It makes me feel like I'm not wearing a bra at all, but if you have a larger chest and you want thicker straps, I recommend this one by Warner's. I tie-dyed mine, and I love the way it looks. Number 4 is this multi-way strapless convertible bra. It has a fairly inclusive shade range, and because the cup is full coverage, it literally does not fall down. And lastly, it's this sports bra tank top. I am so impressed with the quality, the fit, and the support of this sports bra. I highly recommend this style, especially for my larger chested ladies if you like the sports bra look and want the support. Thanks for watching.
You guys, okay, so I don't know if I'm late to this shit. I could be late to the game, but I just saw somebody take one of these kinds of tops, you know? Pull this apart like this. Wrap this around their heads, okay? Take it and tie it in the back. Yeah? I swear, this shit was so fucking cool. And then take these, crisscross them. And then you tie this, okay? Hold on, I'll be right back. Like, what? Yo. This shit, so fucking cute. Why the fuck have I not been doing this already, bro? Like, look at this shit. You guys need to try it. Fucking try it right now.
Hey guys, let me tell you about these toothbrushes that I actually saw on a TikTok. I found these on Amazon. Each toothbrush has over 2,000 bristles. They are super soft and are very good if you have receding gum lines, if you have sensitive teeth, or just looking for a softer toothbrush. More info in the comments.
Self-defense tools that every girl needs. Pepper spray. Door opener. Personal alarm LED light. Window breaker, a self-defense tool. $1 disguised as lipstick. Archive 3-in-1. Comb. Lipstick. Pen.
So most of these items can be gotten from Amazon, and you can use my store link to get the items. You get to buy these items at the Amazon Best Buy prices, while I earn a small percentage as commission, so you don't get to pay extra. But if you buy anything from the website after using my store link to get to the website, I get a small percentage as commission. I'm trying to diversify my YouTube earnings since I don't really earn much from YouTube Google AdSense anymore. So by buying these items or any item at all from Amazon website using my store link, I will be able to earn a bit of change from your purchase. So if you would like to support me, then please check out my store link in the description box. Now my favorite buys are the self-defense kit. The seller's TikTok handle is in the description box, and I believe the seller is based in the US. I also love the keyboard for phones. It will help me a lot when I'm editing my videos and I have to type a lot. And I also like the bras that every girl needs. I really need a variety of bras, but I always seem to buy the wrong size because I'm so small. But thankfully, I found this video that shows how to calculate your bra size.
Hey, Happy New Year. I'm going to show you how to measure your own bra size because this is actually something you need to be doing every 6 months to keep up with your size. Your bra size is composed of 2 measurements. One is the band, which is going to be the 30, 32, 34 part of the size, and the second is the bust, which is going to be your cup, which is the ABCD. The first measurement is your band. So right underneath your breasts, on your ribs, wearing no bra or a sports bra that doesn't squish you, you're going to wrap it all the way around you and note the measurement that it comes to. Mine comes to 35. If you're like me and came out to an odd number, round up to the next even number. So my band size is a 36. If you came out to an even number and a half, like 34 and a half, stay on the lower even, so 34. We're going to do the same thing for our bust, which is at the fullest part of your breast. Wrap it all the way around. My measurement comes out to a 41. Note that measurement as well. If you came out to an odd number, like me, stay on that. But if you came out to something like a 40 and a half, go up to a 41. This is math, bear with me. You're going to take the bust measurement and subtract the band measurement to find the difference. Every inch of difference corresponds to a cup size. Your band measurement plus the cup that you get is your bra size.
Which of this do I think is weird? What is a plant infusion? Like, is that even a necessity? Why can't you just simply water the plant using a bottle or the water can that's been used for years? So what do I think is a necessity? For ladies, I believe the self-defense kit is a necessity, and the different type of bras that you need is also a necessity. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if you want to get any of the items, simply click the link to my store in the description box and you can buy any of the items or orders on the Amazon site. I only get paid when I make a commission of $100, and I've only made like $20 in like 2 years. But hopefully my luck will change very soon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. It helps me a lot. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon by the side so that you're notified anytime I upload videos. Now, with all that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.